Mustang Coupe.
But because I got to get a piece of equipment here.
Oh, I appreciate you doing this for us. Those are parachutes. There's a jet engine. I guess this is just a heat guard so you don't burn yourself.
Right. Now,
Holy crap. Where does the driver go?
on the other side, I'll show you. It's very interesting underneath.
Oh my gosh. Oh man. Guys, I apologize if I get on your nerves by talking all the time. I have to do it because there's music playing here in Pennsylvania, and we gotta make sure that the music doesn't ride into the videos. It's a copyright thing. Huh? Why advertise it? I talk about everything.
Okay.
And plus, if I'm going to be talking a lot and they're like, "Shut up," I got a reason.
You need to, I want to lift this body up, and you need to put this support under here.
You need me?
Yeah, you need to cut for a second.
All right.
Okay.
All right. Amazing. That's the view. All right, so here is the underside, the inner workings of a jet car. How cool is this? Look, see, you open a hood and guys just gravitate. They can't stop themselves. Look at that.
That's unbelievable, man.
That's a really little space to sit in.
Yeah, exactly. And tell them the
really
horsepower.
little space to sit in.
7,000 horsepower.
7,000 horsepower delivered by jet air, compressed air, flying out the back of this car. So it doesn't do burnouts, but it goes really fast.
And the owner of this car told me one time, there's two places you don't want to be standing when this starts up. One is in front of it here. That thing will suck. It'll suck the oxygen right out of your blood and you'll drop dead. And the other place you don't want to stand is where the exhaust is out the back. It'll incinerate you.
Well, you know what? I don't think I want a jet. I don't want a jet car, but it sure is cool to watch somebody else risk their lives. You know what I mean?
Well said.
Yeah, thank you. You know what I mean? Wow, that's cool.
Some of these guys, like the Maple Grove, when they have these,
Yeah.
the towers where the people are sitting in, every time they throttle that thing, the glass just sucks in and out.
Yeah.
I see it shake. I'm like, oh, yeah.
It's probably a very tempered glass.
That's very cool. I really appreciate it showing this up to us. It's very rare to see a jet car, and it's kind of cool because now I get to meditate
And
on a
that's
jet car.
1958 technology there.
Yeah, it's
7,000 horsepower.
Wow. It came out of a fighter jet?
Yes.
Do you remember? Did you say the fighter jet?
A McDonnell Douglas Banshee fighter jet.
Banshee fighter jet?
Yeah.
Banshee fighter jet car. Over here. How much do you ask for a jet car?
And the entire system is made by Westinghouse.
How much? Do you know how much it is?
It's $69.9 is the price on it.
All right, $69.9 for a jet car. Wait a minute, what's this? I'm sorry. The jet car's cool, and I'll help you out with that. Give me a second.
Okay.